Do you dream of turning your passion into a profitable business and add a second revenue stream, but don't know how? In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process how you can earn through your passion. My name is Shashank, your purpose clarity coach on a mission to help people change their passion into their purpose. More than 95% of the people struggle to earn through their passion, and that is one of the major reasons they are stuck in their 9-to-5 job that they don't even love. Majority of the people, they take a leap of faith and try to build a profitable business around their passion without any knowledge, without any systems in place, and that is one of the major reasons that they fail. As I have told you in the past also, passion alone will not make you successful. There are other key ingredients. I will show you a step-by-step blueprint how you can convert your passion into a profitable business. Step number 1. Convert your passion into a problem-solving purpose. What do I mean? Ask yourself, what real-life problem of the world you can solve through your passion? How severe that problem is? Are people willing to pay money for that solution? If the problem is not severe, people are not willing to pay money, then it doesn't matter how passionate you are, you will never be able to convert your passion into a profitable business. So think of a problem you can solve through your passion, and that problem should be severe, not for you, but for the people for whom you are solving that. And it should have a market demand. A lot of successful people who have turned their passion into a profitable business have followed the same approach. Take for example, Mark Zuckerberg. We all know him. He followed his passion of coding and building application, and he built Facebook. He identified the problem. What was the problem? People were getting disconnected. He identified that problem and built Facebook so that he can connect people. And we all know Facebook now is a multi-billion-dollar company. Second example I'll give you is of Baiju's Ravindran. Baiju is one of the world-leading edutech platform. Baiju was passionate about mathematics. He identified the problem that the teaching quality was not up to the mark, and that's why people were struggling to crack competitive exam. To solve that problem, he used his passion, quit his job, and launched Baiju. There are many more examples like that. The only thing you have to ask again yourself, what problem you can solve? Are people willing to pay for that solution, and is there a market demand? Second step is conditioning. This talks about your mindset, your belief, your daily habits. The journey to convert your passion into a profitable business is not a straight one. It has its own ups and downs. If your conditioning is not proper, then the first hurdle that you face and in your journey, you will give up soon. So conditioning is super important. Next element is skills. Get decent amount of skill. Keep learning on a daily basis. Upgrade yourself. Do not wait to become perfect. A lot of people make this mistake. They want to become perfect and then start delivering. It doesn't work like that. Always remember, you don't need to be great to start. You need to start to be great. So start delivering value today and keep on learning. Next step is positioning. Who do you want to serve? Who is your target market? Why they should choose you? What tools and technologies and methodologies you have? Have you solved that problem for yourself or for others in the past? Why they should come to you? How can you add value to them? The last step in this blueprint is mentoring. Find someone who has already done it. Follow his or her footsteps, and that will reduce your journey time. That's where my program Passion to Purpose comes into picture. Passion to Purpose will give you step-by-step detailed insights how you can monetize your passion and build a profitable business around it. I can tell you with 100% conviction, if you implement this blueprint in your life, you will be able to earn through your passion. I request you to start implementing this in your daily life and like and share this video with all your friends and family so that they can also reap the benefits. If you want an expert help in implementing this, then please contact me. The link is in the description box. Like and comment.